feeling happy today. Repeat after me. I am feeling happy today. I am feeling excited about my trip. Repeat after me. I am feeling excited about my trip. I am laughing with my friends. Repeat after me. I laughing with my friends. I am feeling nervous before my exam. Repeat after me. I am feeling nervous before my exam. I am taking a deep breath to calm down. Repeat after me. I am taking a deep breath to calm down. I am feeling sad after the bad news. Repeat after me. I am feeling sad after the bad news. I am wiping my tears. Repeat after me. I am wiping my tears. I am feeling angry about the situation. Repeat after me. I am feeling angry about the situation. I am counting to 10 to control my anger. Repeat after me. I am counting to 10 to control my anger. I am feeling surprised by the good news. Repeat after me. I am feeling surprised by the good news. I am covering my mouth in shock. Repeat after me. I am covering my mouth in shock. I am feeling scared in the dark. Repeat after me. I am feeling scared in the dark. I am hugging my friend for comfort. Repeat after me. I am hugging my friend for comfort. I am feeling proud of my hard work. Repeat after me. I am feeling proud of my hard work. I am clapping for myself. Repeat after me. I am clapping for myself. I am feeling bored at home. Repeat after me. I am feeling bored at home. I am feeling relaxed after a long day. Repeat after me. I am feeling relaxed after a long day. I am feeling grateful for everything I have. Repeat after me. I am feeling grateful for everything I have. I am feeling confident and ready. Repeat after me. I am feeling confident and ready. I am smiling at everyone. Repeat after me. I am smiling at everyone.